Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to check your credit score on RBC. Your credit score is a numeric snapshot of your spending history. It captures important elements of your credit report like payment and credit history, the amount of credit you use, and whether or not you have historically paid your bills in full and on time. Now let's see the step-by-step process to check your credit score on RBC. To view your score in online banking, first you have to sign in to online banking of Royal Bank. Then scroll down to the box on the right hand side labeled My Services. In the My Services box, select View your credit score. Then review the legal disclaimer and select Continue. Lastly, review the Credit View Dashboard Agreement and select I accept and continue. Your credit score appears along with various tools, calculators, and educational information about credit reports, credit monitoring, credit cards, mortgages, and much more. Now that's it. You can check your credit score by following this step properly. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon. We will meet you again with another video. Till then, stay tuned.